Okay, so now we'll pass our to-do list which we got from get static props here, this method, and we'll pass this in to-dos component index. So for that, we just need to type my to-dos list or whatever you want to type here. You can give your the property name by yourself. Then inside this curly braces, I will just pass it this to-dos list. Okay, now it is giving error because it is saying that this property does not exist in to-dos component index. So we'll just go to this to-dos component index, and to pass the data here, we simply need to just inside this bracket put curly braces, and inside this put my to-dos list. The name should be same what we provided here. So take care of that, otherwise we will get error. And then since we are using TypeScript, we must provide a type. Since only one property is here, we can assign type just beside this here. Otherwise, we can define interface here and then we can use it here. But yeah, simply for now we can do it here. So my to-dos list, okay, and then give it a type, I to do model, and then since it is a list or array, we provide this bracket here. Okay, so now we have passed our to-do list from to-dos pages index.tsx to our to-dos component index. And just imagine now we have to pass this data to to-dos list so that we can see the data. So here we will, and then we will accept it here, and then we will use it here. So it becomes too much passing data down the components. So it's a lot of hassle. That's why we were using MobX also, MobX state management, so that data passing becomes easier and our state management also becomes easier, as MobX will automatically update the UI whenever our variable is changed. The condition is we must have wrapped right with observer. So simply what we can do is inside this, since we have our my to-do list, so we'll just use to-do store, then dot to-dos list which is there in our to-do store, and then we'll just set it to my to-dos list. So now if we just simply save it and we come to check our UI, and you will see that we are able to see our data in our UI, and we'll just comment it out. So I am commenting it out just for your reference later on. You can remove it also, no issues. Okay, so if any of you are wondering why can't we just copy this line, and why can't we just put it here, since we are already having our to-do list here, we can just simply use it here like this. We can just import our to-do store here, and we can simply just set the value of our to-do list which is there in to-do store just in this index file of to-dos only. So the answer is, of course we can do it, and this will work definitely fine. You can just comment this out also, and check this will work fine. See, we are getting to see our data. So the main purpose of this video is, of course, to show you how to pass data down the components, just like how I have done here. But if we have to pass the data down to many components, so it becomes a hassle. So that's why we are using MobX for simplicity and good state management. And now if you are wondering, can we do it like this, means we'll just comment it out. So instead of passing data from our get static props, they are passing this to-do list here, and then we are setting it to to-do store. So if you are wondering, can we do something like this? So let's just check it out. Okay, we'll just, and you will see that we are not getting to see any data here. Why? Because this get static props, this is run in our server. So this is the server side function, so that function will not have access to this to do store. So that's why to pass data we must do it like this. And inside it, if you want, you can just simply do it like this. So here we can just write a comment. This will not work. For now I will just prefer it like this way only, as it will have our to-do store just inside this our to-dos folder only. But yeah, you can follow like this also, no issues at all. I just showed you different scenarios of passing data and using mobex also in different scenarios, different places, so that if you have any doubt it would have been cleared by now.